Apple may block iPhone features if third-party battery installed. Apple has reportedly added a software lock in iOS to prevent issues caused by third-party battery replacements. A report claimed that in such a case, the device will block certain features like displaying battery health and will also display a service message. Apple will reportedly do the same even if an original battery is put in by a third party. Researchers demo way to fool Apple's Face ID for unconscious users. Tencent Security researchers at the 2019 Black Hat USA conference in Las Vegas demonstrated a way to trick Apple's Face ID for unconscious people using modified glasses. They stuck black and white tape to reproduce an eye's look. If you're wearing glasses, Face ID won't extract 3D information from the eye area when it recognizes the glasses, researchers said. Gun parts still listed on Amazon. Google despite ban in US. Report gun parts and accessories are still being listed on Amazon and Google in the US despite a ban by the platforms. The Washington Post reported, the listings, which were live as recently as 2 days back, are escaping algorithms designed to catch them. The report said, this comes days after the U.S. witnessed mass shootings in Dayton and El Paso. Microsoft says contractors hear Skype conversations with consent, responding to a Vice report accusing Microsoft of letting contractors hear private conversations from Skype and digital assistant Cortana. Microsoft said that it does so after getting user consent. The report claimed that the recordings include intimate chats and people discussing relationship or weight-related issues. It also alleged that Microsoft never revealed humans analyzed the recordings. Knives sold on FB without age check despite ban in UK. The Guardian knives are being sold on Facebook's e-commerce platform, Facebook Marketplace, without an age verification in the UK. The Guardian revealed, the UK government banned the delivery of knives to homes if the buyer was not verified to be over 18 years of age. In May, The Guardian claimed it purchased 4 sets of knives from sellers without the verification.